Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change Instagram username. Changing your Instagram username is straightforward, but it's important to choose a name that reflects your brand or identity. Here's how to make the switch. Just follow these few steps. The first step is to open Instagram in your phone, just like this. Open the Instagram app and then go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, tap Edit Profile right here. Click on it below your profile picture, and after that, in the username field, type your desired name. You can change the username right here. After you finish, tap Done. Make sure your new username is unique and easy to remember, and double check your username before saving to avoid frequent changes. You can also change your name, your bio. You can add links if you have a brand. You can add banners. You can also add or connect a page. You can choose the categories from artist, musician, blogger, etc. You can also search for the category. You can even add music to your profile thanks to the new updates of Instagram. Updating your Instagram username is a simple process that lets you refresh your online identity. Choose wisely, as it becomes a key part of how others find and recognize you. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment if you have any more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.